Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make a delicious one-pot Aknee dish using Allsome rice. If it doesn't say Allsome, it's not awesome. So we're going to prepare the Vaagar first, putting our onion into our hot oil, our garlic, we're going to add our cinnamon roll, cardamom and cloves, our curry leaves, cumin, our ginger garlic, our coriander and cumin powder, our turmeric, and our crushed red chilli. Green chilli as well. Just give it a slice in the middle. That's all a good mix. Now we're going to add one chicken to our dish. Our tomatoes, a whole ton of tomato puree, the juice of 2 lemons, just to give it some tanginess. So while the chicken's been getting nice and tender, we've pre-fried the potatoes. It always seals in the potatoes so they don't become into mush. And we're going to add it now to our chicken dish. So basically, your base of this recipe is a curry, and what makes it even better is when we add our Allsome rice to it. 2 cups of Allsome rice. And now we need to rinse our rice so that it doesn't become mushy. So we're just gonna use our water, give it a good rinse. So let's pour enough water to cover everything. So I'm just adding the bay leaf as a sort of a marker. It also adds a bit of flavor. So our rice took about 45 minutes. It's almost ready. In the meantime, what I've prepared for you is some wonderful sour milk, or dahi as we call it, which is just sour milk with green chutney, and some wonderful poppadoms, which are beautifully shaped, also made of rice. It's ready. Let's dish out. It's fragrant and absolutely delicious. Just one big platter of awesomeness.